We have to solve this given equation. So that's 2 cos square theta plus sine theta is equal to 1. It's always a good idea if we can convert if we can convert the complete equation in terms of just one trigonometric function, which is either sine or cos. But I think converting to sine is easier because we know that cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sine square theta. So that's 1 minus sine square theta plus sine theta is equal to 1. This means that 2 minus 2 sine square theta plus sine theta is equal to 1. This would mean that subtracting 1 both sides, we have negative 2 sine square theta plus sine theta plus 1 is 0. This means that 2 sine square theta minus sine theta minus 1 is 0. For simplification point of view, I'm going to make a temporary substitution of sine theta as y. Because if I do that, the equation will look like 2y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0, which looks pretty easy to simplify because that's a quadratic equation. So if we want to factorize this, the factorization will be 2y minus that can be rewritten as 2y square minus 2y plus y minus 1 is 0, which means that is 2y plus 1 and y minus 1, and that is equal to 0. So the values of y are coming as negative 1 over 2 and 1. And by the way, what is y? Y is sine. So sine theta is coming as negative 1 over 2, and the value of sine theta is coming as 1. We have to all right. We have to make a general answer where k is an integer, and we have to round to 3 decimal places where appropriate. So first off, sine theta equal to 1 over 2 will negative 1 over 2 will have two solutions in between 0 to 2 pi. One is in quadrant 3, one is in quadrant 4. And sine theta equal to 1 will just have one solution, that is theta is pi over 2 between 0 to 2 pi. So in quadrant 3, the solution will be pi plus pi over 6, because pi over 6 is the principal solution, and pi plus pi over 6 will be in quadrant 3, and in quadrant 3 that will be negative of 1 over 2, and likewise this will be 2 pi minus pi over 6. So the final answers will look like theta is equal to 7 pi over 6 plus 2k pi. Theta will also be 6 times 2 is 12, 11. 11 pi over 6 plus 2k pi. And finally, theta will also be pi over 2 plus 2k pi. So these are the three solutions of this particular equation, general solution, where k is an element of integer.